What is up, folks? We are going to do a Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes tutorial for all the free-to-play players out there. And I want to show you exactly how I got my account over 1 million of the Galactic Power points, and how I got all the 7-star characters and level 85 and all that. How basically to maximize your daily work in the game. And that's what it really comes down to, is a bunch of getting in there every day and maximizing what the game gives you for free. So the first thing you can see is the login rewards here for June. Got some Lando stuff. You need to log in every single day and have this stuff pile it up, and then get that Omega and that Zeta at the end of the month, and get those crystals. Crystals are that's your best friend right there. They let you get extra energy refreshes, and you can buy stuff, but I don't recommend using your crystals to buy things. Use it for energy so you can farm, which gives you way more rewards than just the instant gratification of buying some shards, for instance. So you can get your shards and you can get gold or credits or whatever. Anyway, let's get our daily rewards. So first thing, check the quests, and you can see I'm a level 85, and here's all the things I need to do for the day. And we're going to knock them out super quick. Go to shipments, get in there, scroll all the way down to the bottom for the cheap stuff, because we just need to buy 3 of these. And you can see I have a lot of some of them, but it's all kind of part of it. And like I said, this will boost your galactic power. Alright, one quest is done, knocking out 3 of those. Get our free thing. Notice that you have to scroll by so much stuff, right? They want you to use your crystals to buy things for instant gratification. See my video on the addiction engine. Alright, so let's get a couple of these. I always skip. Alright, so that actually just completes another quest for us. Go into the challenges. Do the multi-sim, because I've maxed out all these. That'll complete another challenge, and I'll go back and finish all those later in the day. Go ships real quick. Ship challenges. Do this one. Sim it. Alright. Making some progress here. We could do the fleet battle, but I'm going to skip that right now. Go over to Galactic War. Restart previous day. Select the battle. I'll actually go through this real quick. I'll just do a Empire Sith team here, because it'll be quick. I'll show you all my characters here in a minute too, but the other thing is you need to go through Galactic War, also known as the Gigantic War. Finish that thing every day. Of course, I'm going to get a million updates too while I'm in here. So I just put on auto. Most of the things I do, like I said in another video, I just put it on auto and let the computer play through. Unless it's like a Night Sisters team or a Phoenix team, I'll interject a couple times, so I'm not just wasting myself on somebody who's got Retribution on, or on the zombie who just like keeps coming back alive and you never hit anybody else. Alright, and I'll go back and finish the rest of this later. Get our quick reward here. Alright, I'll leave. So I'm going to start claiming some of these rewards. Let the crystals pile up. Alright. So now we're going to go into our characters, and you can kind of see what I've been doing. Got a bunch of 7-star guys. And the way I do that is, the shipments. I maximize what rewards I'm getting in shipments, but I also kind of farm selectively too. So right now I'm kind of working on a Phoenix team. I never really farmed them before. So I'll take her, good old Hera here. And so she's the Cantina energy, so I'm going to use up all my Cantina energy real quick. Got 2 shards of her. And see, like I said, that's going to pile up over time. Now we have like our normal energy, and we want to selectively farm some gear with that. Actually, you know who I'm also working on to get? Oops. She's a Phoenix team person that I need for a ship. So let's go and farm 3 of her. So she's going to be hard dark side, so I'll do 3. Then I need to do 3 hard light side. So let's just pick a person here who's working on their gear. I'm getting ready for the Commander Luke Skywalker event. And another way to maximize your galactic power is to always gear everybody who can gear up. So let's see. I want to do something that gives me double. So we'll do Finn. Get 3 of him, right? Let's see. Light side, yep. So 3 of him, and this will be my 3 hard light side, 3 hard dark side. And we just got that. So let's go back. So I can gear him up. Boom. Cool, huh? What is this? Somebody wants to be a friend. Ally points don't really, or allies don't really matter at this point for me. Alright, so we just maxed out these. Collect up the stuff. Pretty awesome. Alright, so all we have left is Squad Arena, which is 2 battles, which will take some time. Fleet Arena, which is a battle, which will take some time. And then we'll be able to collect all of our activity rewards. But so still on the to-do list, which I'm not going to show you in this video, would be do this 2 Squad Arena battles, do a fleet battle, and then get through the Galactic War. And if you do all those things every single day, you will maximize your your time in the game. And you can see how quickly I got through all that, other than the battles. Yeah, maybe play 10 minutes a day, and over the course of about 6 months, you will. Let me see here. Yeah, I'm number 500 right now in Arena, but I'll get up to probably 300 something by the end of the day again. You can see your rise and fall every single day. Then Fleet, I'll get up close to 20, but I probably won't get up into the 20s. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, get in and do your guild stuff too. It's not part of the daily checklist, but if you're in there working on stuff for your guild, you're going to benefit from all the guild rewards. See, I usually am the number 1, 2, 3 contributor every day in guild. So, like the raids, for instance. You want to get in here and use all 5. So put together, your team of 5. So I'll do them by factions, like this. Yeah, that would be like my first team to go. If I'm not going to do it though right now because it's going to take too long for this video. But I'll show you marching through Galactic War in another video, and I'll show you some Squad Arena action in another video. Always check the events too. You can get some points in here and get your rewards. So, yep, basically do your daily checklist. Check with your guild, check the events, finish Galactic War every single day, and then selectively farm your stuff. Farm for gear, farm for characters. Yep, and that's about it. All right, talk to you guys later.